Welcome back. Churchill wants government to issue certificates to the meat traders so that they can supply hygienic and quality beef to Goans. Churchill claims corruption in blocking beef traders from supplying beef in the state. Earlier, Chairman of Goa Meat Complex, Lyndon Montero, had said government will make arrangements to procure certified beef from authorized slaughterhouses and sell it at controlled prices in Goa.
हांव मागतां सरकारा कडेन आमकां सोय भितर बीफ जाय हे 260 रुपया न्हू व 300 न्हू सोय भितर बीफ जाय जेन्ना पयल्या 80 रुपयान मेवतालें बीफ तें मागीर 150 पावलें तें मागीर 200 पावलें आनी आतां हें बंद केलें आतां 260 जालां आनी आज हेका येता 300 म्हणून हें कितें करपाक हें फकत करप्शन करपाक हें कोणा पडपाक जेन्ना सरकार दिसता आपल्याच्या वचून हाडपा जाता जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा जे पळय कोण मीठ हाडटाले तांकां तुमी कित्याक सांगना तिका त्या दोतोरांक बाबा हे मनीस येता तांकां तुमी सर्टिफिकेट दिया आनी तांकां मीस दिया मास दिया म्हणून हो सारको चड म्हळ्यार चड इम्पॉर्टंट हो सारको पॉयंट.
It may be recalled that Chairman of Goa Meat Complex, Lyndon, had asked the meat traders to resume supply of beef in the state before 4 days deadline is over. He said traders should not complain and protest later if government intervenes to supply the beef. But Churchill said Goa Meat Complex should not take away the livelihood of meat traders. FDA's action on meat traders across the state and nakabandi of imported animals at the state borders by the NGOs has led to an acute shortage of beef in the markets. Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Golden Jubilee's signature project in Vasco is lingering for the past 2.5 years. Around 3 crore rupees were allotted to the Mormugaon municipality. The then Chief Minister Parrikar had laid foundation stone for the project, but the project lies unattended. Councillors have demanded to utilize the project fund for other developmental works rather than keeping it unutilized.
Have a look at this plaque. It was laid for a project in Mormugaon. It was told that a building would come up at this place with shops to be leased out to the people. Also an official accommodation facility for the chief officer of Mormugaon and to allot parking space for the Vascoites. But nothing has moved.
O project mukara येवपाक reason जावन आसा o local MLA चे हात वोट आहा हेजेर project o मुखार सोडना जावपाक आनी कसलीय तरी अडचण हातून आहा. यसले MLA जावप म्हणजे गोंय आमच्या वास्को शहरान लॉस.
Local MLA preferred to be mum on Zuze's acquisitions. Councillors now demand that the funds be utilized for other developmental works.
3 कोटी रुपया इल्लेले जाल्यार 2012 इल्ले ताच्या नंतर आमी ऑनलायन ई टेंडरिंग केले जाल्यार 3 वेळा ई टेंडरिंगाक आमचे नील कोणेच कोट करूंक ना जाल्यार आतां 4th टायम परत कोट केलो जाल्यार ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान कोट केले ताणें एक आयटम डबल कोट केलो त्यामुळे तो रिजेक्ट जावपाची शक्यता.
Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.